Walked outside before dawn, you got a real jolt.
Yeah, it was freezing, literally freezing cold this morning in most areas. Yeah, and in the morning we'll likely see freezing temperatures in some places. Probably not quite this cold. These were the low temperatures early this morning. 30 up in Georgetown. Out at the airport is 27. 27 out in Llano. And keep in mind, these are in-town temperatures. In our coldest valleys, we saw one reading as low as 20 degrees. And believe it or not, that was in Travis County this morning. One of the coldest locations in Travis County is Big Sandy Creek up around Jonestown, and the thermometer read 20 to start the day. We saw several 21, 22, 23 degree readings in the typically cold pockets out in the valleys in the hill country. A 21 degree reading also, incidentally, Big Sandy Creek near Elgin early this morning. It turned out to be a pretty nice afternoon with less wind. It did not feel as cold as it did all day Sunday with that wind blowing, and it's going to be a clear sunset, as you can see. 61 degrees is where we are right now. Even saw some readings get to 70 out in the western hill country in Mason and in Gillespie County. 8 o'clock tonight already to 52, and at 10 p.m. tonight already in the mid-40s in downtown Austin. So that tells you right there it's going to be another cold one late tonight, early in the morning. 62 in Burnet right now, 63 in Marble Falls. Fredericksburg briefly at 70 this afternoon, back down to 68 currently. In our metro area, low 60, 61 in South Austin, 59 the cool spot out there around the Lakeway and Lake Travis area. 59 in Giddings and in LaGrange, 62 in Bastrop and down in Luling. Austin 61, skies are clear. The dew point's beginning to come up now at 24%, 24, 25 degree dew points, but that's still dry air. 62 at ABIA. Wind southeasterly to southerly at 6 miles per hour or less, and sunset tonight is exactly 5:30. Mold count 421 today, medium. There's some better news. Around the state, 70s returning out here to our west. 50s, though, from Dallas down to Houston. Upper 60s in Corpus Christi. Not a cloud in the sky in Texas right now. The storm system that sent down this colder weather is just moving real slowly here, and so it's going to help send another reinforcing push of cool air our direction tonight that will continue to ensure we have some chilly mornings right on through most of the rest of the week. Now, our next storm system, unlike the ones that are developed out here in California and then moved down to the Baja and come our way, like this past Friday night and Saturday morning's storm system, this storm is way up here west of British Columbia right now. But guess what? It's going to drop due south right over the Baja before it moves slowly eastward into West Texas sometime over the coming weekend. And so I think we're going to see some more rain. This is going to be a setup for mainly light rain, but you know, every drop we can get from the sky we will take. What's going to happen between now and then? Well, only a slow change in the pattern. We'll continue to have cold mornings and relatively cool but pleasant afternoons. Then this coming weekend, I suspect it'll be a little rainy and it'll be a little chilly too. Let's look at the temperatures tonight. It'll be cold tonight. We're talking about near or below freezing, if not in town where you live, certainly in the rural valleys. And then tomorrow afternoon, low and mid-60s, another cool day. Tonight in Austin, clear. Let's go 35 in the morning in downtown Austin. Rural areas, a light freeze possible tomorrow. 63, north wind at 10 to 15. And we should see plenty of sunshine. And then look at the cold mornings. 37 Wednesday morning, 39 Thursday morning. These are, again, in Austin. High temperatures in the 60s for the next several days. And then if this system works out like we think it will, we'll have a chance of rain from Friday all the way to Sunday. That will keep it rather cool the first weekend of December.